undone. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say a word and I run through.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Elliena here. Today I am going to do a little experiment. I'm going to do another curly hair tutorial. It's similar to my short curls, I'm guessing the turnout's going to be like that. I feel like this is going to be a long ass one. So today I am going to show you how to curl your hair with these pipe cleaners. Yeah, just warning you beforehand that the ends of them are really sharp. Don't say I didn't warn you. So before we get into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure you share this, comment, try it out, let me see. But yeah, let's get to the video. So before we do anything else, because pipe cleaners are so thin, I need to literally make them thicker. So what I do is I get 3 of them, then I'll twist it a bit at the beginning, and then I just wrap it all around each other. Look how cute it's looking. So I bought 2 packs of 100 pipeline cleaners off of Amazon, and they cost like £3 each, so yeah, it doesn't cost much. So this will be one. It looks so cool. But yeah, that'll be one that I'm going to be putting in my hair. And yeah, I actually haven't done this method before. It's just a little experiment, so I'm going to take you on this journey. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is section off our hair into 2. Tie one side up. Oh my gosh, this looks so weird. Brush out your hair so there's no tangle. The first step we're gonna do is section off our hair. Tie this one up on this side. Now I separate these into a further maybe 3 sections. So I'm gonna take this section, take one of the many pipeline cleaners, and just like what I did with my straw curls, I placed it as far up. Okay, let me try and, I don't know if you can see me. As far up as possible, bend it. Now curl around and make sure you push up. But yeah, you literally just wrap round. At the end, bend it and it should be secure. Now at the top, I wrapped it around so it's secure like that. And that's our first one done. And we literally repeat that all over our head. I'm just gonna fast forward everything. When you're wrapping around, push up so it leaves more space, because my hair's way too long and it just about fits all of the pipeline cleaner. Plus it'll make the curls much more bouncy, I guess. If you want looser curls, then as I always say, when you're wrapping around, leave gaps like this But if you don't want that, but you want tighter or bouncy curls, then push it up like this. Okay, so I have completed my hair. This around about an hour and a half to do all my hair, but just bear in mind that my hair is long and thick. So yeah, I don't think I needed 2 packets of 100. I'm not sure how much I put in my hair, but I'll probably count it when I take it out. So yeah, I'm just gonna sleep on it. I'm gonna wear a hair bonnet, hair cap to keep it all in place, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so it's the morning now, and as you can see, I have got a hair wrap on. This basically is a towel that dries your hair when it's wet. Instead of a hair cap or a hair bonnet, to make this secure, I used this instead. So I slept with this overnight. So I'm just gonna undo it and see if everything's in place. So as you can see, everything has stayed in place, and it was actually comfortable to sleep in at night because the sharp bits weren't digging into my face or my shoulders or neck or anything. So that's a good thing. So what I'm going to basically do now, I'm going to start from the bottom up and try and undo these and see the results. Okay guys, so this is my hair as I take it out. These are much tighter than my straw curls, as you can see. And you lot can see like how short my hair has gone. Like my hair is past my bum. Look, it goes up to here, so that's how much my hair has basically shrunk, and that's a lot. So what I'm gonna do now is that I don't want to leave it like this. I mean I can, but it looks a bit weird. So I'm gonna just separate the curls a bit, and I'll get back to you in a second. Alright guys, so this is my hair fully taken out. Separated the curls. Look how nice the curls have turned out. So altogether, I've counted the amount of pipeline cleaners I've used, and I've used 41 in total. 41 of like these, and these have like 3 pipelines in one, if that makes sense. But yeah guys, what do you think? I think they turned out really cute and really puffy. I think a factor that made my hair really puffy like this, it's because obviously my hair's long and thick. But yeah guys, let me know what you think about this method. It was really comfortable to sleep in at night. The plain fact that I used this, so this goes here, tie all your hair back in, and then wrap it around and connect here, and literally put all the pipeline cleaners out of your face, and it'll be much more comfortable to sleep on at night. Also, if you want to know how to detangle your hair, I've got a video already on that, so you can do it for like straw curls, flexi rod curls, and I'm guessing you can do it for this as well, so I'll probably put that in the link below and in the end screens. Also guys, if you don't know already, I've done a video on how to style curly hair like this, so go and check that video out as well. But yeah guys, if you did enjoy this video, please leave it a thumbs up, make sure you comment, share and subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure you press that bell button so you know whenever I post another video. Yeah guys, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. See you guys in the next video.